Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I just want to take a minute and talk about TikTok a little bit. And so I am not going to get into whether or not TikTok should or shouldn't be banned in the United States. That's a different topic for a different person for a different video, and I'm not going to get into that in this video. What I want to talk about is the idea of a platform and a creator having and using that platform and almost the fragility of those platforms. And so as you guys know, I have my YouTube channel here. I make videos on it. I've been making videos since 2011 about all kinds of stuff, tech, phones, games, cameras, video production. And I've really focused a lot on my YouTube channel, almost to a fault, because I don't really have an established audience really anywhere else. And that's actually something I'm working on behind the scenes, establishing some email lists, some membership websites, to where if YouTube would just cease to exist someday, I would still be okay and I'd be able to still make revenue off my business of doing, consulting with video production, teaching people how to use video, how to use cameras, stuff like that. So how does this relate to TikTok? Well, there are talks going around that TikTok might be banned in the United States. I know it's banned in some other countries already because there's just some questions surrounding TikTok, its owners, and maybe the permissions that they're requesting or abusing. And it just is a security concern for some people. And it's a very valid security concern. But I would also say that many of the other services that we use also violates, and if they don't violate, they're walking the line pretty closely of violating our security concerns, privacy, all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of people on TikTok who are making a living on TikTok. They're creating videos, they're getting sponsorships, because they're super popular on TikTok, and that's fine. I have no problem with creators being on TikTok and rising to success. And so now people are thinking, oh my gosh, if TikTok is shut down, I have no platform. There goes my business. And so if you're not well established on these other channels, whether it's YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Vimeo, Facebook, anywhere really, your own website, if you don't have roots put down somewhere else, people are easily going to forget about you. Because even if like TikTok would get shut down and then you would make a YouTube channel the next day, I mean, you don't have your TikTok channel to say, hey, go to my YouTube channel. And just the way the information works now, and people are just jumping from channel to channel to channel and just short attention spans, not be able to focus on things, I wouldn't be surprised if you would lose a massive amount of your audience trying to play catch up whenever something like this happens. My advice would be to people who are just on one channel of media, whether it's YouTube, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, is you need to have more than one basket. You cannot have all of your eggs in one basket, because if one of your baskets flips over or catches fire or spontaneously combusts and it doesn't exist anymore and you can't have access to it, well, then there's all your eggs. You don't have any more eggs. And so for me, I'm working on some things behind the scenes, some websites, trying to establish some other brands, trying to use my Instagram account, Twitter, just to try to build presence online. So in the case if YouTube would just get shut down overnight, that there would be places where people follow me, can continue to follow me, and find maybe where the next place is that I house all of my content, whether it's a website, whether it's Twitter, whether it's a new video service, anything really. The other thing to keep in mind is that we are renting on free space here on YouTube, on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, any of those platforms. We do not pay to have to use their platforms. And now you might say, yeah, I'm selling my data. You are not giving them money for that service. And so to think that, here on YouTube, people can make thousands and millions of dollars for, no cost to the membership is pretty good. But with that comes the fact that we don't own this space. You own your own channel, but you do not have a stake in ownership of YouTube itself. And I know this isn't things that people like to think about, but YouTube really, if they just decide to shut down overnight, they don't owe any of us anything. We've all been paid with our ads. If you get paid with ads running on your channel, that's fine. But they really don't owe you to, make sure that you find another home for your videos. I mean, this is a free platform. You guys can do what you want with it, to an extent, obviously. But you need to be responsible as a creator, business person, entrepreneur, and make sure you have multiple places to lay down roots, multiple baskets to put your eggs in, And if you don't know what I'm talking about with eggs and baskets, you just need to make sure you're having multiple streams of income, whether it's affiliate marketing, membership website, YouTube, sponsored Instagram, anything really. Freelance work. I do a lot of work on Upwork. That's another great way to just, get yourself out there and known to the public eye. It's just always good to have a backup plan or 5. And so if you're a TikTok creator freaking out, I would highly suggest that you just start now and create a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, somewhere else that you can also say, this is where I exist on the internet. If you're worried about losing pretty much everything you've worked for. I know it's not fun whenever a app or service just gets completely canceled. I know we kind of went through this with Vine back in the day, but a lot of people on Vine made the transition to YouTube, and a lot of them have experienced success. And so I just want to talk about this a little bit and the importance of having multiple streams of income, multiple routes laid down in different services and social media accounts. And I just wanted to throw it out there and give my thoughts. And so that's going to be it for this video. I just want to talk about it a little bit. If you guys have any comments you want to leave or any questions, you can leave them down in the comments section below. And thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, hit that like button. Also remember to subscribe for more videos from me. Hit the bell so you're notified whenever new videos go live. And make sure you follow me on all my social links. They're down in the description below. Tyler Miller TV on Twitter and Instagram. And so that's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.